There is a common desire for a shining, bright smile since white teeth are a statement of health and vitality. In our dental office, it's one of the most frequently requested procedures. Knowing which teeth whitening product to buy can be a bit difficult with so many options available. In this video, we are going to talk about 6 best remedies to whiten your teeth. So, before starting the video, please like this video, do subscribe and turn on the notification to our channel for future updates. 6. Oil pulling. Pulling with oil is a fantastic method for preserving a healthy dental hygiene routine. It consists of swishing oil around in your mouth for 15 to 20 minutes. The oil attaches itself to the harmful bacteria, plaque, and toxins that are found in your mouth and in the spaces between your teeth. After that, the oil is spat out, along with the microorganisms that were in it. In most cases, either sesame oil or coconut oil is utilized. Because it does not contain any dangerous acids or chemicals, oil pulling can be practiced on a regular basis without fear of adverse effects. 5. Apple cider vinegar. Because it contains acetic acid, apple cider vinegar is an antibacterial agent that also has the potential to whiten your teeth. However, because vinegar has the potential to erode tooth enamel, you should try to limit the number of times and the amount of time that it comes into contact with your teeth. Apple cider vinegar can be used as a rinse if it is diluted with water and then swished around in the mouth. After each use, give it a good rinsing with water. This activity is completely safe to carry out multiple times per week. 4. Fruits and vegetables. Plaque can be removed from your teeth in a manner that is both safe and effective by consuming firm, crunchy fruits and vegetables. It's possible that whitening your teeth with a paste made of strawberry puree and baking soda will be beneficial. Malic acid, which is found in strawberries, may have an exfoliating effect. However, studies have not shown that it is helpful in penetrating stains that are already present on teeth. Bromelain is an enzyme that may be found in pineapples. Recent research has revealed that adding bromelain to toothpaste makes it more successful in removing stains. Consuming pineapples, on the other hand, does not appear to have the same effect. Well, do you like what you are seeing so far? Don't forget to like and subscribe. Keep watching because you don't want to miss what we have at the number 1 spot. 3. Baking soda. Baking soda dissolves surface stains and naturally polishes teeth when it is used in toothbrushing. Baking soda has been shown to provide an alkaline environment in the mouth, which inhibits the growth of germs, making it an effective treatment for tooth decay. According to the findings of one study, brushing with toothpaste that contains baking soda is more successful at removing yellow stains from teeth than brushing with toothpaste that does not contain baking soda. Make a paste of baking soda and water. Then brush lightly with the mixture. Baking soda can be used to brush. Baking soda can be used to safely wash your teeth a few times per week. When mixed with water, baking soda generates free radicals, which attack and destroy the chemicals that cause stains on tooth enamel. 2. Hydrogen peroxide. When periodontists utilized hydrogen peroxide as a mouth rinse for their patients, this is when we first became aware of the bleaching properties of peroxide. If you choose to treat it at home, the benefits will come more gradually, but the cost will be much lower. In order to form a paste, combine the baking soda and the hydrogen peroxide according to the following directions from Colgate. Mix up approximately 2 tablespoons worth of hydrogen peroxide and 1 tablespoon's worth of baking soda. Make it into a paste, and then begin brushing it on. After waiting approximately a minute for the paste to get static, properly rinse it with water. It is okay to apply this teeth whitening home cure twice or 3 times every week without any adverse effects. 1. Regular brushing and flossing. The greatest approach to maintaining the health of your teeth and gums, as well as the appearance of your smile, is to practice good dental hygiene. The use of toothpaste can assist in the removal of stains from the surface of teeth. Whitening toothpaste performs the same function as regular toothpaste, but it contains additional chemicals and does not bleach your teeth. Because flossing eliminates food and bacteria from between your teeth, it gives the appearance that your teeth are brighter and whiter than they actually are. So, that's it for today's video. What do you think of the number 1 spot? Hit us up in the comments and let's chat. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications for our channel so you never miss what's coming next from us. Thanks for watching.